This is my commandment. Love one another as I love you. Inulit pa ulit. This I command you. Love one another. So in the moral dimension, our moral compass should be love of God and love of neighbor. Yun lang, isa lang yan. Sabi ni Jesus. The second commandment, love your neighbor, is like unto the first. Kasi sabi ni St. John in his apostles, hindi mo nga namamahal yung kapatid mo na nakikita mo, yung Diyos mo kaya na hindi mo nakikita. Experiential dimension, intellectual dimension, moral dimension. Let us pray that our celebration of the Holy Eucharist will converge the three so that we will become real disciples of Christ and they will know we are Christians.